Hi loves, from the title you already know we are going to be deep cleaning this refrigerator today. Look at how beautiful it looks. So come with me, let's clean this together. So it's funny that I don't have a lot of things I put in the refrigerator. I don't take cold water, I don't take a lot of minerals, so I really don't have things to put in the fridge. And as you can see, the fridge is scanty. So yes, I just took out everything that was there, and then I put away all the chambers of the fridge. Yeah, I think so. So I just brought it to the sink, and using a sponge, I just washed all of that thoroughly. So I like to wash the whole compartment of the fridge and let it dry before I actually clean the fridge. So I usually like put them in a bucket where it gets drained of its water, but that bucket was not available. So I just cleaned part of the countertop and I just spread it as you can see on the screen. And yeah, before I'll be done washing everything and cleaning the fridge, it gets dry and I'm able to stack it back into the fridge. So I washed all these compartments, and as you can see, there is a, what is this thing called? I'm not sure, but parts of this compartments, this part you can see me currently washing, this thing is usually dirty, right? So I use a toothbrush for it. I use a toothbrush to go inside the thing and wash it thoroughly. And this other part I'm washing now, actually I don't know what these things are called, but the point is, for you to get a certain compartment of the fridge, you're going to need a toothbrush to do the work. So I should mention that that toothbrush I use is like a kitchen toothbrush. I use it to wash a number of things in the kitchen, so don't go and use your toothbrush. Oh. Yeah, and I put some dishwashing liquid in water and I used a sponge and I just cleaned inside the fridge. After that, for some parts of the fridge, I used the toothbrush as well. Then I disposed the water, got a clean water, used the kitchen towel rack to clean the fridge. And after that, I used a kitchen tissue. It would be better to use a dry kitchen towel if you have that, but I didn't have any dry ones at the moment, so I had to use the kitchen tissue. And after that, I just put all of this back. Look at how it's popping, look at how clean it looks. See guys, if you've not cleaned your refrigerator like this before, when you take out all those tiny parts of the compartments, you would see how dirty it is. So you need to clean it properly with a toothbrush like I said, and then yeah, clean the top of the fridge, clean the body of the fridge, and this is how pretty the fridge is looking. Thank you guys for watching.